Hello, everyone. Today we will be reading Spending Too Much Money. Let's get started. Sarah has a problem. This is Sarah. Sarah spends too much money. She has no money left in her wallet. She needs to save more money. Here she is saving money by keeping it for later. Sarah buys many things. She buys things she doesn't need. Let's see what she buys. She buys a coffee every day. This is her coffee. She buys a bag of chips every day. This is a bag of chips. She buys her lunch 3 times a week. This is her lunch. Sarah spends too much money. This is the money she is spending. She needs to save more money. She needs to pay rent every month. This is a check for rent that Sarah needs to pay for her home. She needs to pay bills every month. So she needs to pay this money for her energy bill and this money for her cable bill. She needs to buy groceries every month. These are Sarah's groceries, like food. How will Sarah save more money? She will not buy a cup of coffee every day. No more coffee. She will not buy a bag of chips every day. No more chips. She will not buy her lunch 3 times a week. No more lunch. Sarah will open a bank account. Here, Sarah is at the bank to open an account to put her money in. She will put money in her bank account. This is the money she is putting in her account. She will save money.